Jojo Hatrusuru, we Tejang Chakma, Chakma Gotaran Bekunara, we welcome Jana. It's a Gauhati High Court, Monita Dewan Chakma, and others versus State of Mizoram or Jekisanaga. Kisanarich hearing Elo, Giot, Monita Dewan Chakma, Aro, Dijon, Chakma Satra, Mizoram Tun, Tarasidu, MBBS or admission, Hevak, no Hevak, Gurise Kisanar, Kisanarich, Honor decision, no, Ode Honor decision, no, Union of India মানে সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট যেনাহি এমবিবিএস সিট এভরি স্টেট ধরে এলট করে নিড মাধ্যমে অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়ার তারে প্রার্থী বানানো হয় হিনাই যদিও মনিতা দেওয়ান চাকমা যে কাউন্সিল লো যদিও এখান এখান ইস্যু রেজ করছে দেশে নলদে হইয়া দে ভারত সরকারের পারমিশন হি লাগিব নাই যে হাইকোর্ট অর্ডার কমপ্লাই করতেছি সেই ইস্যুয়ান্থ তুললি কিন্তু জাস্ট পয়েন্ট আউট করছে দে লাস্ট হিয়ারিং যে petitioner কাউন্সিল লো ইনস্ট্রাকশন লবা করি ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার পার্টি বানা যাব করি সিয়ানর সে ইস্যুয়ান যেতে গেলে লাস্ট হিয়ারিং হচ্ছেন হইয়ে ফোটরে এসে হডান যাচ্ছি এন্দরি তুললি অ্যাকর্ডিংলি কোডে ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার পার্টি বানাতে অদারান পাস হচ্ছে আর নেক্সট ডেট অফ হিয়ারিং 20 তারিখ মার্চ 2023 রাগিয়ে নেক্সট হিয়ারিং ইসনন চাকমারি বদারে বাবে এ সিচুয়েশন যে ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার পার্টি বানাব নহব এরাইজ নহলুন যদি সুরতুন্দরী কিষান যাকে ফাইল করা হয় সেকে তুন্দুরি যদি ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার পার্টি বানাও after all union of India seat allot করে MBBS seat already আরো প্রেসিডেন্ট আগে লাস্ট টাইম তুমি বেকুনা হওয়ার পর দর্শন চাকমা আরো একজনের যে 2017 এখান কেস ফাইল করছেন MBBS admission হতে সেকেন্ড বেগ ফার্স্ট রেসপন্ডেন্ট নো বানা হয়ে দে ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়া রে ওই ফারে এই কেসান ফাইল করতেছি দর্শন চাকমা কেসান তারা খবর নহান অবল বা খবর ফেলে গেছে তারা ইগনোর করছেন সিএ ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার প্রার্থী বানানো হয় এই কেসানত যেনতে কোনো ডিলে হয়ে আগে তুমি ইউনো হওয়ার পর যদি এসটি রুলস যদি চ্যালেঞ্জ করা হয় দিয়ে হয় সে ক্লেমান মিজোরাম গভর্নমেন্ট তুন মাগা যায় তারে প্রার্থী বানানো হয় ইত্যাদি মিজোরাম স্পেসিফিক কিনে ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার এটা হনো সে প্রার্থী বানানো হবো এসটি রুল চ্যালেঞ্জ করিবার যদি করা গেলে কিন্তু হনজনে যদি এমবিবিএস সিটতে বা এডমিশনতে যদি ক্লেম করে নেওয়া হয় মিজোরামত সেকেন্ড ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়া আর মিজোরাম গভর্নমেন্টরে দুজনরে পার্টি বানা ফুরিব হিতে মূলে যে হলুং ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়া হলতে সিট টানি এলট করে আর যাতে সিএন মিজোরামত এডমিশন লো যাব সিয়ে দুজনরে রেসপন্ডেন্ট বানা ফুরিব যাতে কেসান দিলে নহয় ভাউরি তা এই হিয়ারিংত কোডত হিও ইয়েছেন আমি শুনিছে
My lord, if lordship would kindly have a look at order dated, my lord, 6/1/23.
Before you start, Mr.
Yes.
President,
Yes.
this Mr. Tida, no, Mr. Chakrabarti, he was, no, she wanted some time to obtain instruction
Yes.
as to whether the Union of India could be included as a party.
Yes.
Now, where is she?
I'm here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm assisting.
Okay, yeah.
So, my lord, Union of India, as such, my lord, we have no claim against Union of India.
But they are supposed to give some approval.
No, my lord, that is the making of the government of Mizoram. My lord, if they were so conscious of that, then they should have pointed out on that day itself. When this order was passed, then they should have said that. And then we kindly see already 1 year is gone. Now in the, they are part of losing their second year. They are adamant that they will not give the admission. I don't think lordship will permit this to happen. There's an order of the court, and my lord, the learned Advocate General appeared on that day. He virtually, my lord, considered, he said government is considering. Having regard to all these things, my lord, this order was passed. Page number 6/1/23, my lord. If your lordship will kindly come to page, second page, my lord.
Yes.
Sentence starting it is not in dispute that the classes of MBBS course for the current session has already commenced. and there are 3 vacancies available at present. This information that there are 3 vacancies was given by the state. Therefore, if the 3 out of the 5 petitioners are accommodated against those seats, no prejudice will be caused to either side. On the contrary, if seats remain vacant and eventually petitioners succeed in the repetition, and in that event enormous prejudice could be caused to the petitioner. Therefore, having regard to the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, and by adopting a balanced approach where of the considered opinion that present is a fit case where an interim order is required to be passed, it is the undisputed position, in fact, that marks obtained by the 5 petitioners in the NEET are so and so, so and so, so and so. Since there are only 3 seats vacant, the top 3 candidates would obviously be entitled for consideration at this stage. Since all the respondents are represented, no formal notice is required to be sent. The parties have exchanged their feelings, therefore an attempt to be made to dispose of the petition at that stage of admission. As an interim measure, it is hereby provided that petitioner Monita Dewan Chakma, Venki so and Harshika Chakma be provisionally admitted and permitted to attend the classes in Mbbs court, which should however be subject to further orders that may be passed in this petition. Well, in the meantime, an IA has been filed by a particular candidate minor who claims that he has secured more marks than my lord Harishika Satma. To that extent, my lord, we are not contesting that claim. If she is getting higher marks, then he should naturally get it. So that we are not opposing. At least, my lord, the first two should get, my lord. Well, this is not a case which is coming for the first time. This matter is pending for the almost, my lord, 2 years.
Yes, yes.
My lord, once the order was passed by this court on 6/1/2023, my lord.
Yes.
6/1/2000, which my learned friend has pointed out.
Yes.
And there is an order from this court to grant provisional admission
Yes.
to 3 out of the 5 petitioners.
Yes.
And accordingly, on 23, we were not aware of this situation because we informed the order of the court to the government. That this
You
is the order that has been passed.
you inform this order.
Yes, this order the government. So this is what the court has passed the order.
Yes.
Now, this government, the government of Mizoram has sent to the ZMC about the order that was passed by this Hon'ble Court, that this is the order which has been passed. ZMC has written back to the government, madam, stating that there has to be some approval from the government of India. So, last date of the admission was over on 29th of December 2022. 29th of December 2022. So, if any seats is to be allotted, it is Government of India permission is required. So, we written 2 letters on 23/1/2022.
Just a minute. So the last date of admission was 29/12.
29/12/2022. Order is passed on 6/1/2023.
And when did you write a letter?
I wrote a letter 31/2023.
31?
2001 2023.
13/1.
30
1
2023.
to the Government of India.
Yes, Government of India. Again on 14/2023, we again has given a reminder.
14/2.
14/2023. Well, all the situation will be solved if they come forward and say that we have no objection, my lord, because ultimately their approval is required. Now there is a change of a law, my lord, which my learned friend definitely say it's a covered case by a division bench judgment, where it was set, they have set aside the earlier rules. Now that judgment, the division bench has relied on particular judgment of an apex court and they passed an order. So E.V. Chennai's case again, my lord, it has been that E.V. Chennai's case is by 5 judges. So this 2020 8 SSC 1, my lord, Devendra Singh case, my lord, that again, my lord, there are 5 judges. So they have referred this particular matter in Chennai to larger bench, whether there can be any sub-classification or not. So this is
anyway,
again,
but as on date, this order is still holding the field.
yes, no, my lord, the situation, but then I have to refer to the judgment of the how, my lord, they have referred, and there is a difference of opinion of the 5 judges. Same, my lord, 5 judges. So this is my lord has to look into that perspective.
Okay, another
It is not
aspect.
a covered case, my lord.
Okay, another aspect of the matter is that the government of India has to give approval now.
Yes.
Well, there is nothing like it.
Absolutely,
from-
there is a
I don't know. They could have filed an affidavit, my lord. We are in March. This order was passed on
Let,
January.
let us be clear, because I do not know. You all know,
No,
I
my
don't
lord,
know.
my lord, each day is to our detriment, my lord. You kindly appreciate we have lost. All there is an order of this Hon'ble Court in the last year's proceedings. There is a contempt proceeding. Now there is an order of January 6th. Till date they are not complying with. Lordship will not permit this. Otherwise, my lord, what impression people will carry about the system, my lord? Lordship will not permit state of Mizoram to behave like this, my lord. It's a very serious matter, my lord. If an order of the court after hearing the advocate general order is passed and the state does not comply with it, it's very unfortunate, my lord. My learned friend himself virtually considered. He said the matter is being looked into. We waited. The court waited on the based on that. On subsequent date, his order was passed.
No, I know.
After all, he is a student. Where she will go, my lord?
I also understand, my lord. Students, my lord, careers is involved, my lord. But ZMC cannot act. That's the whole problem, my lord. They have written
Show me why they cannot act.
My
when
lord,
the-
can you see this, my lord? It was.
My lord, government of India normally does not interfere in these matters, my lord. There is nothing to call. At best, MCI could be a relevant. They may have some say in the matter. How can in a medical admission matter, government of India will have any say, my lord? Which is law? Which is the law which requires government of India's approval?
No, no, it is to the Director General of Health Services, my lord. Government of India.
Where? Which one?
My lord will kindly see the Mizoram Medical College letter.
Yes.
And kindly see the enforced one, 21/12/2022. 21/12/2022.
Yes.
And kindly see on the last my lord, kindly note the last date of joining admission for so and so would be conducted by the state is 28th of December 2022. Now, that was extended by 1 day, that is next page, my lord, 28/12/2022. If necessary, within 1 week we will file this evidence with all the records and everything. All this will annex it.
No, but where does it say that the government of India is?
First page, my lord.
What does it say?
Yes.
Since the mop-up round of UG Council.
First, 27th of January, in reference to your letter mentioned above,
Yes.
concerning the interim order of the Honorable Gauhati, this is for time informant. The last date of admission for state counselling for MBBS 2020 batch was 28th of December 2022. As per Directorate General of Health Service, Government of India notice dated so and so, which was extended till 5 p.m. of 29th of December 2022. White notice dated 28/12/2022. As the last date of admission for state is over as per the notice from Government of India, insofar as we know, Mizoram Medical College may not admit any MBBS student without the explicit permission from the central government. Your guidance in this matter will be most appreciated. Mizoram Medical has started MBBS classes from 15 November 2022. Admission was going till 27th of December 2022. Moreover, as mandated by the National Medical Commission, list of 96 students along with the details has been sent to NMC in soft and hard copy format. This is for information. So accordingly, we have written on basis of this. On 30th of January, we have written immediately to the Assistant Director of Manoj to kindly notice this.
Can I just explain the position, madam?
Just your lordship will look into this letter first. I have to inform you that Honorable Gauhati High Court order in WPC directed that 3 students petition, namely so and so, Mizoram Medical College, where 3 seats for the state course which have already been allocated have become vacant due to vacation of the state seat by allotee. Director's agency was approved for compliance with the state order, but director informed us in the letter under reference number so and so that since the period of admission of the state course has already been closed, the college may not admit any and without the explicit permission of central government. Copies of the Hon'ble Court's order and letter are attached. Now the copy of Hon'ble Court is forwarded for your kind information and necessary action. Again on 14 we have written. It's not that we have not taken steps, my lord. 9 February 2000. Well, if this approval is accorded, absolutely no problem. Immediately we inform them.
Hello, can I come in, madam? There are state's cases 29, 12.
No, what is the case all about?
No, I'll just come in.
Yes.
Kindly appreciate. The state's perspective now is that 29/12 was the last day. Therefore, now admission cannot be. That is the case.
Yes.
In sum and substance.
Correct.
Well, this is the normal process. In the normal process, the state authority cannot. Now, there is a court's order. Lordship knows, my lord, Constitution has given the court's order in a different pedestal. When High Court passes an order, Supreme Court passes an order, it is not required. I'll give few examples, my lord. For example, my lord, when High Court directs a CBI inquiry, then the state's concurrence is not required. When High Court passes an order, my lord, the Assembly need not pass the appropriation bill. To implement the High Court's order, if any money is required by the state to be spent, then my lord, appropriation bill is not required. These are one of the few instances. This is a provision regarding normal admission matter. In a case where a student has been arbitrarily refused a seat, the student comes to the court, court passes an order. What legal reasoning, my lord, those justifications will apply here,
No,
my
you
lord.
see, but
And these are not all India quota seats.
no, but Mr. Counsel, one thing is, if the permission is to be accorded by the central government, and central government is not a party, then it causes a problem.
My lord, I have a specific submission. This is not the way, my lord, citizens' right can be played by the state. Now, because of the delay, my lord, if we do sit this year also, then Lordship will have to fix responsibility upon the officials of the government of Mizoram who are responsible for. Because we will keep that option open, my lord, and let central government obtain the instruction on this.
No, who's
No,
the
Lordship
central
will also
government?
make that observation. That in the event court comes to the country, allows the writ petition, and which is bound to be allowed because, my lord, it's a covered case.
But one thing, Mr. Counsel, one thing is on
No,
the
my lord, this
last.
is not the way.
No, on the last day, it was
Huh?
on the last
But, my
day.
lord, admission notification for the next year is already published.
That's what. Now on the last day, if you had made the submission, on the last day, the submission made by the petitioner was that instructions, time was prayed for by the petitioner to obtain instructions whether Union of India should be implemented. If you had, if
No,
the
my lord.
petitioner had given this, if
No,
you
my lord,
given
sir.
your submission on the last day,
My
you
lord.
could have implemented by the.
226 proceeding is not a civil suit. Lordship.
Correct.
So need not go by any formality. Lordship can straight away ask the CGSC to obtain the instruction.
That's what we're going to do.
And Lordship will fix it in within a week, my lord. They will have the instruction.
Who is the CGC of it? Okay, right.
I'll inform him, my lord.
Heard Mr. K. Yes, anything to say?
Actually, I have filed IA.
Ah.
For the donor is filed, but
Which IA? Which IA?
My lord, Lordship will keep that IA pending because if we cannot be admitted, he also cannot be admitted.
Correct.
Correct.
No, but we'll just report this. Yes, which
Madam,
IA is
we
it?
admitted that IA, we don't
Just a
object
minute.
IA.
Which IA is it?
One is my lord, 468 and 469.
468 and 469.
It's very
Oh,
simple IA, my
What
lord.
is your case?
My case is that, my lord, by
You have got better marks.
by mistake, a seat was given admission was not allotted to those who did very got lesser marks.
Then you.
So, my lord, he admitted that petitioner counsel also.
So who has just a minute. Who has got lesser marks than you?
My lord, he
The third one.
Third one.
Harshita.
Harshika.
If you kindly see, my lord, my IA at page number.
No, just tell me. I don't have to see. Just tell me.
Yes. Harshika Chakma got 217.
So
I got 278.
it's okay. It doesn't have to tell me the marks. So you got higher marks than Harshika.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Lee Das, Learned Additional Lady for the state of Mizoram. I've also heard Mr. J.C. Musama, Learned Counsel for the applicants in IA Civil 468/2023 and 469/2023. The petitioner's grievance is that despite the order dated 6/1/2023, directing that the writ petitioners, that is number 1, Monita Dewan Chakma, number 2, Renki Tong Changya, and 3, Harshika Chakma. That is at in the order dated 1/6/1/23 last week. Should be provisionally admitted and permitted to attend the classes in the Mbbs course in the Mizoram Medical College. Mr. D. Das, the AG Mizoram, on the other hand, submits that the order dated 6/1/2023 issued by this court was communicated to the Government of India by letters dated 30/1/2023 and 14/2/2023.
9/2/2023.
Huh?
9/2/2023.
31/2023 and 9/2/2023 instead of 14. Okay, 9/2/23 to give approval / permission for allowing the above 3 writ petitioners to be provisionally admitted. However, no communication has been forthcoming from the Government of India. Next paragraph. The case of the applicant in IS Civil 468/2023 and 469/2023 is to the effect that he has got higher marks than this is a lady or a Harshika is a lady or a male? Lady against Harshika Chakma, Ms. Harshika Chakma has got higher marks than Harshika Chakma, and as such, the applicant has got a better claim to be admitted than the said writ petitioner. Next paragraph. In view of the fact that there has been considerable delay on the part of the government of which department, which ministry, who has to give the permission?
Director General of Health Service.
In view of the fact that there has been considerable delay in taking a decision on the request made by the government of Mizoram to comply with to give permission for filling up 3 posts, 3 vacancies in the Mbbs course on provisional basis in terms of the order dated 6/1/2023, from the Director General of
Health Services, Government of
Health Service, Government of India, This court deems it fit that the said party should be pleaded as respondent number 3. Accordingly, the Director General of Health Services, Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is implemented as a respondent number 3. Mr. K. Gogoi, CGC, accept notice on behalf of the respondent number 3. Petitioners and the respondents shall supply.
My lord, will also make one thing clear, my lord. Whether in respect of court order there is a permission is required. Doctor will kindly.
Petitioners shall also supply copies of the writ petition and counter affidavits to the CGC within 2 days.
So today itself.
Within the course of the day. Full stop. Next para. Mr. K. Gogoi, CGC shall obtain instructions with regard to the letters dated 30/1/2023 and 9/2/2023 issued by the
Director, Mizoram Medical College.
Issued by the issued by the Director Higher and Technical Education, Government of Mizoram, with regard to the provisional permission to be given for filling up 3 vacancies in the MBBS courses, for which the admissions had closed on 29 February 2022. The CGC shall obtain instructions with regard to the said letters and the order dated 6/1/2023 passed by this court.
My lord,
As to why the central government needs to give permission for filling up the
State quota 6.
the state quota 6 in Mizoram Medical College, when there is an order already passed by this court. List the matter after.
My lord, let it be on 17th. They will get that more than 8 days.
my lord, before that, my lord,
Just a minute. Before that, you're right. The above being said, the further issue that will have to be considered by this court is whether the applicant who is alleged to have secured higher marks than Shri Harshika Chakma should not have a better claim to any vacant MBBS post.
But on next step, once semi-common.
my lord,
They are respondent number 7 because subject to correction, the central government will be perhaps respond number 8 because I am appealing for respond number.
Okay, make it 8 instead of 3. Make
Oh,
it 8.
I'm sorry.
I am appealing for respond number 3 to 7.
Okay, make it 8, huh? Make it 8.
my lord, allow me to say in my respect of my eye one important thing. Now, process has been already going on, so there is a chance that Harshika Chakmas may be allotted in the meantime. So my matters, it's simple matter. My lord, they are not claiming anymore.
Next step, the laws will consider it.
They are not claiming this seat anymore, my lord, because there is the files in respect of everything pertains to Harshika Chakma now.
No, I've said it.
But it is not clear. There is a chance that they might give seats to Harshika Chakma in view of order.
Okay, just right. It is made clear that in the event the applicant in IA so is having better marks than Shri Harshika Chakma, the applicant should be considered, may have to be considered for admission to the vacancy instead of Harshika Chakma.
No, my lord.
That's all.
Applicant Isaac. That you say Isaac instead of Harshika. My lord, that mistake, my lord.
One mistake.
My previous may be recorded for respond number 327.
Mr.
HK Das.
HP Das appeared for fund number 327. Huh? This is the method printed. Huh? Yes? A copy of this order. It will be uploaded. You print it out. Why do you want the separate? No need. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Didas, anything else? Mr. Didas, anything else?
No.
17th, yes. It's on 20th, your lordship.
20th.
Not 17th.
No.
Okay.
এচ্ছে কোডো প্রসিডিং আনা তুমি দিলা সিয়তন ভেরি ক্লিয়ার যে তিনজনতন একজন আমার যে ছাত্র আগন মিজোরামতন হর্ষিতা চাকমা তাহলে এডমিশন পাদে তার মুশকিল আগে তে ইকো আরেকজনে ক্লেম করালি সিবে আইজাক বানলাল ঠিলানা ওরি তা হর্ষিতা চাকমাতন তা নম্বর বে খাইয়ে সিংরে ওরি তা ক্লেম করছে কি তুমি দেখো শুনো প্রসিডিং আনত se hodan esti je question age sendo mane e dulo guri age তুমি গুল গুরি গুরি age এই question da কোনো যদি ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়া যদি রিপ্লাই না দে হয় কোডে দ যে এনাফ অপরচুনিটিজ দি হেব আরো সিনিয়র অ্যাডভোকেট হায়ার করা ফুরিব হিতে তুমি এচে দেখো কোডরে কনভিন্স করানা বা একখান কোডটন ফেভারেবল অর্ডার নিগলে না বারি মুশকিল হয়ে পারে এই কেসনত যদি সিনিয়র কাউন্সিল যদি নথেলে তারা বাই দি টাইম যাকে কোডে একখান ডিসিশন দিব এই কেসনত সেকেন্ড এমবিবিএস এর যে ফার্স্ট সেমিস্টার আছেন অলরেডি ওভার হবো তে ইয়ান একখান কুয়েশন আগে দেওয়ালতে ইস্যু হলতে তাই কোনো ডাইরেক্ট সেকেন্ড সেমিস্টার অর্থে এডমিশন খারাপ হেবাক নাই ছাত্রগুনি ফার্স্ট সেমিস্টার এটা নাও চেউরি আসেন একখান কুয়েশন রয়েছে ini hitte or আমি ইয়াকেও চাকমারি বতার রিপোর্ট করছে গিয়ে কেসানো বেলাইলে সাকেও হইয়ে এটা ইউনিয়নতে প্রসিডিউরাল বুলোতে মানে ইদুর সিচুয়েশন লুঙ্গে গি জনতে সাংমা মিজোরাম সাংমা ছাত্র হনে তারা সাফার গতন আস্তে বুলান সাকেও এজাকে কেসান তারা আইজলত ফাইল করছুন দিয়ান সেফরাংনি সাবসিকুয়েন্টলি গুয়াহাটি হাইকোর্ট ট্রান্সফার করা হইয়ে কেসান আর সেকেন্ড বুলান গড়াও যাকে আয়েগান গেলে বজর ফাইল গড়াও যাকে মনিতা দেবান চাকমা কেসানর পেটিশনার প্লিডিং সানি কমপ্লিট সেকে আয়েগান ফাইল গড়াও সেন দ্বিতীয় বুলান এতে যদি মনিতা দেবান চাকমা কেসানর যদি ফাইনাল আর্গুমেন্ট যে অড সে আয়েগান এসটি রুলস আনকনস্টিটিউশনাল গরি হলে জাজমেন্ট এগুলো নয় এরকম কোনো সেথা আইয়েগান despite positive orders like কোনো almost influxes only আরো যারা কনসার্ন কারেন্ট আইয়েগান ডিসপোজ নয় সেটা কনসার্ন র মেন পেটিশনার হনো ইস্যু নয় বেলি কোনো আরো এই বছর 2023 এর এমবিবিএস এডমিশন অলরেডি নোটিফিকেশন পাবলিশ হয়ে তুমি দেখতে পাবো আরো যেটাগুলো সং মেইন পেটিশনার নট ফাইনাল অর্ডার নয় যে আমার মিজোরামর সংমা ছাত্র তারা সাফার করিবা আরো তারারে হায়ার টেকনিক্যাল এডুকেশনত তারা বঞ্চিত করা হেবা যেটাগুলো সং মেইন পেটিশনার হন একান ফাইনাল অর্ডার নয় যে এনেকে করি যদি চলে দেয় হয় যদি ডিলে হয় দি হয় এই তিনজন ছাত্র তারা ভবিষ্যৎ সদায়ও আগে আরো ভবিষ্যৎ যে আমার মিজোরামত আমার বেবন্ধু আগন তারা সাফার করিবা হায়ার এন্ড টেকনিক্যাল এডুকেশন ইনক্লুডিং মেডিকেল অফ এমবিবিএস অফ তারা সাফার করিবা ওভারঅল যে আমার মিজোরামত ছাত্র আগন সাংমা ছাত্র আগন তারা বা আমার সাংমা আগন তারা হিউম্যান ডেভেলপমেন্ট এডভান্স হতে ভারি মুশকিল হয়ে পারে যদি ইংরি চলি ফেলে যেটাগুলো সঙ্গ যদি ফটোটুন favorable order নয় যে মেইন পেটিশনার নয় কারণ বিরাট লং টার্ম কনসিকুয়েন্সেস আগে এদুর হইনে যে এই রিপোর্টার নয় সাইড করিম বেকুনরা আরো কুলা জুজু আরো হাতিল শুরু